Ever wondered how pilots navigate their aircraft? Well, a significant part of this magic lies in the realm of aeronautical telecommunications. So let's delve into the depths of ICAO Annex 10, a cornerstone in the world of aviation communication and navigation. Volume 1, Radio Navigation Aids, the first volume, is the technical roadmap for radio navigation aids. These aids are the unseen guiding hands, helping pilots to pinpoint their location and traverse set routes. Ground-based aids like VHF omnidirectional range, distance measuring equipment, non-directional beacon, and the advanced satellite-based systems like the Global Navigation Satellite System are all covered here. The volume ensures that these aids are designed, installed, operated, and maintained to the highest standards, guaranteeing their reliability and accuracy. Next, we have Volume 2, Communication Procedures, including those with PAN status. This volume is the playbook for communication between pilots and air traffic controllers. It standardizes phraseology, communication protocols, and procedures for different flight phases. Communication procedures with PAN status are also addressed, creating a uniform and consistent approach to air traffic management. This volume emphasizes the roles and responsibilities of pilots and controllers in fostering effective communication, ensuring a safe and efficient flow of air traffic. Volume 3, Communication Systems, the third installment, delves into the nitty-gritty of various communication systems used in aviation. From very high-frequency voice communication to high-frequency communication for long-range operations, and data communication systems like aircraft communications addressing and reporting system, this volume has it all. It sets the bar for the design, installation, and operation of these systems, ensuring reliable and secure communication between aircraft and air traffic control facilities. Then comes Volume 4, Surveillance Radar and Collision Avoidance Systems. This volume is all about safety. It sets the standards for primary and secondary surveillance radar and collision avoidance systems, like the Traffic Collision Avoidance System. It covers the technical requirements for radar performance, data processing, and the integration of surveillance data into air traffic management systems, enhancing situational awareness and safety. Finally, we reach Volume 5, Aeronautical Radio Frequency Spectrum Utilization. This volume is dedicated to the allocation and efficient use of the radio frequency spectrum for aeronautical communication and navigation. It minimizes interference and conflicts between different users, establishing procedures for frequency assignment, coordination, and management. This volume aims to optimize spectrum utilization and support reliable services in the aviation domain. In essence, ICAO Annex 10, with its 5 volumes, is a comprehensive guide that addresses the crucial aspects of aeronautical communication and navigation. From radio navigation aids to communication systems, surveillance radar, and spectrum management, it is the backbone of safe and efficient air travel,